Hey y'all, it's Keith. Welcome back to the Jeep 392 build. Anytime we do the Apex armor coating or the Apex signature finish coating, phase one is going to be disassembly. We're going to take off all the necessary small parts. That way when it goes into the sand room and then into the paint booth, everything gets an even coat. We're going to make sure we hit the jams, the creases, and all those hard to get spots. That way the entire vehicle has full coverage, an even coat, and comes out clean. Stick around for the next step. You're not going to want to miss any of this Jeep build as it gets the full Apex transformation.